watching. Griddle guy Nate here. We're just hanging out on a Friday night, getting ready for game day on Sunday. So we're going to be, actually not grilling today, we're going to be pressure cooking. So all you Instant Pot owners, pay attention. We're pressure cooking some pork to make pulled pork sliders that are going to go on top of a delicious slider burger. Might do one of 2 or 3 different sliders on game day as appetizers. So I was going to buy the boneless country style ribs. You can see what we have here. But the boneless were mostly like this, the light pink, not the dark pink. For pulled pork, you want more of this white and dark meat. This is leaner. It doesn't shred as nicely. So I had to get the bone in, so I'm going to take them off the bone. That's pretty quick. Throw some onion in with them. We're going to use a little bit of apple juice and some salt to pressure cook them.
Show the pressure cooker.
I'm guessing this is going to take probably 35-40 minutes under pressure once it comes up to pressure. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. We'll time it. But I'm going to check it after 35-40 minutes of pressure. And hopefully at that point it can shred. So I'm going to start by trimming this up.
So we're going to cut the onion up, throw it in there.
Yeah, this is
big chunks, a little bit of, what is that, flavoring? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Sinks in with the meat a little bit.
And it's kind of fatty pork. The onion helps cut some of the gaminess.
And we're going to leave these as is? You're going to cut them down?
No, I'm going to take them off the bone.
You don't leave the bones in there at all?
It's just easier to shred when they're off the bone. And they, so there's a bone right here. So just get your knife in and push it against the bone and slice it off. It's just when they're done, I could leave them on the bone, but when they're done cooking, it's easier to just pull the meat out and shred it. And
or you could buy boneless next time.
Well, the boneless, I could, but the boneless, like I said, were more, they were more lean, and you need the fat.
You didn't see the color you liked.
I did not see the color I like. That's exactly it. They left a couple of bone chunks on there.
So this is a very small amount for if you were doing pulled pork on just a regular pulled pork.
Yeah.
For a party of whatnot. This is just to go on a slider.
Right. If we were serving pulled pork sandwiches, we'd grab like a 9-pound, whole pork
shoulder
right.
Or pork butt.
Good point. It's labeled pork butt.
Yeah.
But it's actually the shoulder.
Okay.
But
wait, shoulder always means butt?
when it comes to pig, no, butt always means shoulder when it comes to pig. Pork. But no, we only need a little bit. The sliders aren't that big. So you can see this goes quick. Keep your knife sharp.
So we're going to finish cutting these up. We're going to throw it in the pan. We're going to come back to you guys once we throw the applesauce. Or, I'm sorry, apple cider?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. We're going to throw that in and then we'll...
you can leave it on. I'm done in a second.
All right.
Yeah.
We're going to keep going here. That's how we roll on a Friday night.
So that's it. And you can look down in there. Right? Just rinse my hands.
So we got some onions. He cut up all the ribs, the pork ribs. It's going to add a little bit of apple juice.
About halfway up the pork. Healthy dose of salt. And that's it. Get the lid on and put it under pressure. We'll check back with you in 35 minutes. See how it shreds. We're back. So this went for 35 minutes, and I have no idea if it's shreddable yet or not. But the way I like to check it is take a wooden skewer and see if it goes. Oh yeah, if it goes through nice and easy like that, no resistance at all.
Man, how's that look?
It's ready to shred.
What does it look like?
So.
What's the pizza?
There's one slice left. So we're going to drain off some of that liquid. You don't want to shred it with this. There's a lot of pork fat in there. It makes it greasy.
I smell apple juice.
Do you smell apple juice?
We just want, Nate, while you do that, we just want to say hello to Marissa. Hey, Marissa, you got anything to say?
Shout out to you.
Just for fun.
Just for fun. What else?
Yeah, that's all.
That's it? That's all you got?
I'm gonna shred this right in here so I don't make more dirty dishes. You can see it's gonna break up super easy.
I think you just got pulled pork right there.
Yep.
With a spoon.
With a spoon.
There's no pulling, there's pushing. Look at this pushing that's going on.
That's the beauty of the pressure cooker. Alright, so we're all shredded. Dump in. This is up to you. I don't like super sweet barbecue sauce, so I pick something that's not all sugar. And I don't like a ton of barbecue sauce from the get-go. People can always add barbecue sauce, so I put, you know, just enough to kind of coat everything and bring it together. And then when we put this on the griddle to put it on top of the sliders, we're going to add a little bit of sauce to it too, and then people can add more sauce to their own burger. So, I'll make a nice topping on game day for cheeseburger pulled pork sliders. Like, subscribe, see you on game day.